Butterflies are beautiful insects that often come in bright colors like blue, orange, and yellow. They have delicate wings covered in tiny scales that give them their vibrant patterns. These insects go through a fascinating life cycle called metamorphosis. It starts with an egg laid by an adult butterfly on a leaf. From this egg hatches a caterpillar, also known as a larva. The caterpillar is often small and eats a lot of leaves to grow bigger. After some time, it forms a protective shell called a chrysalis or pupa. Inside this shell, the caterpillar undergoes a remarkable transformation, changing into a butterfly. Once the transformation is complete, the butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis and emerges with its wings unfolded. At first, its wings are soft and damp, but they soon harden, allowing the butterfly to fly. Butterflies are important pollinators, helping flowers and plants reproduce by carrying pollen from one flower to another. They also play a crucial role in ecosystems as food for birds, frogs, and other animals. People often find joy in watching butterflies fluttering gracefully from flower to flower. They're symbols of beauty, transformation, and the delicate balance of nature.